Did you know that your Blue Snowball is actually better than you think and can pick up things so much clearer if you add a few effects to it? That is with using the program known as Voicemeeter Banana. It can completely change how your microphone sounds from it being super trebly to super bassy. Most people like to do this because out of the box, the Blue Snowball, it isn't that great, I'm gonna be honest. But just adding a few little effects, it just makes it so much better. Also, keep in mind, this is completely free. So the first thing you want to do is install Voicemeeter Banana. There's a link in the description to install it. All you're gonna do, open the file, click next, over and over, and then restart your computer. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted with a pretty blank window. The first thing that you want to do is go into Hardware Input 1, just right here. Tap on it and select your microphone and start picking it up. This is what it'll look like after that, and this is how it will sound after that. As you can hear, it's not that great. The first thing that you want to do is turn the volume up just a little bit, around 7, and turn the noise gate on, or the one that's labeled gate. This basically means if it doesn't hear something at a certain volume, it'll cut out all audio. I'll just show this right here. If I turn it up, as you just heard, when I stopped talking and just tapped, it couldn't pick it up. It wasn't loud enough. But then, as I started talking, it started to pick it up. Now the next thing is this little panel right here. It's called FX Echo. When you drag this around, I'll just show you, it sounds pretty crazy. So if I go hello, 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 it kind of changes how your microphone sounds. Now we're going to want it around here on this side. It adds more bass to it and it makes it sound so much better. Some people like to have it here, but I just find it sounds just a bit too bassy. So I'm going to set it just around here. And just like that, your mic sounding heaps better. Now, if you are recording audio and then editing it rather than streaming, then you can add things like URShock and Audacity, but just if you're doing it live or a live stream, or you just can't be bothered editing the audio later, then this is a great start. It's just brilliant. It makes it sound so much better, and actually most streamers use this program. Keep in mind, this isn't just for the Blue Snowball, it works for any microphone. So hopefully you learned something from this video. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could subscribe, it would mean the world to me. It'll take a wee while to get there, but hopefully we can one day. Anyways, thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios!